wey go sleep with pastor for Otse. You understand? The man koko people, I'm back again. Is your girl Katarina Godi Baby TV. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do me a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video or I drop any video, you go be the first to notify. My people, I don't come back again. No, now say this our channel. Now we for the talk things. So things will be said they're not alive. We know they're not alive where we'll carry and call you will lie and where you understand. So my people, if you know say you they new to this channel, not fail to hit that button there, that red button, touch the bell, so that anytime when I drop video like this, you'll they notify. I want you to use this time to thank all my subscribers. God bless you. If I don't know you, God knows you. God bless you for joining the part of my family. If you are still out there watching, please do me a favor, still try one day to hit the red subscribe button. They don't pay for it, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Let's become one family. I love you guys. So today we want to talk about pastor matter. You know, say if you reach pastor matter like this, I know they too much they want me they talk put, but a lot of people they tell me say, Katarina, I not go put the video for you because I don't want to still put the video. If you want to see the video, person be send me the video, but I don't want to put on. There's some of my fans that they send me the video. Even person when I don't know, he still send me the video. You understand? So I beg, if you want to see the video, follow me for Katarina Roland for Facebook. The video go there very soon. So and I go drop the link for this topic for my Facebook. So I come back to my topic. Pastor call Kashi wife with man, somebody wife wey go sleep with pastor for Otse. You understand? The man call catch the pastor with his wife for Otse. If we dey talk say this, they'll say pastor, wetin pastor do now? Yes. Why pastor matter the titi like this? As in wetin make am dey main yanya? Because they are men after God house. You understand? They as in why be say their matter they real like this? You know say you know wetin be pastor. Pastor wey be say God don call and say can't do my work. You can't leave the one way God say me you can't do. You can't dey do another one. Now that one I make their matter the titi like this. Me I am a believer. Yes, I believe in the word of God. I believe on men of God. Not be me. I not believe on me. I believe on men of God. I not believe on Python. I believe on pastors. This kind of pastor will do this thing. This one a Python. You understand? Now Python, not be pastor. This man, his wife go they tell her say they want travel, that they go Abuja, that they go not be Nigeria. This one for happen. That the man they just they use that not be Nigeria for happen. They go South America, they go this place, they go that place. Not knowing say this man they jogodoran. This pastor they jogodoran. People wey they walk follow pastor, you see say they do like say na they no pass any small thing. Daddy wey they know they call their husband for us. Daddy. All those kind people. Because me, I still they call daddy, but not be always If you just enter my head, I call you daddy. If you enter my head, I go call you. If you not enter my head, I just still address you. I just still address you by anything when I want to call you. You understand? So that is me for you. I not go say I won't go beat yam give corn me for grow, or beat corn give yam when yam for grow. No. A married woman, you call yourself married woman. You not be single girl again. When you know say yes, all eyes on you. You go ready, you will say na so you dey for marriage woman for that matter, you go leave your husband from whole house. If na that man they do that one, say the man call carry woman come house, come carry woman come house, come jogodo with her for house, how you go feel? How you go feel? Talk less to say you come say you won't go they go out with my pastor. Now me won't carry they welcome and they come. Hey, a hand of a clap for this man of God, greater man of God. You carry Bible they follow. Another man husband. Where you be another man wife? Waiting with they talk about so. Wetin we dey talk about so? Tomorrow now say we dey face pastor. Pastor, yes, I get pastor. Na woman pastor I get. I get pastor. Na woman pastor I get. Yes. Na woman pastor I get. I get pastor. Na woman pastor I get. Yes. And my pastor not be python. Na pastor. A woman of God. A woman before God heart. You understand? He know when he yes, he know say yes, this thing. When he said this thing, he no need down, he no need down. You know, my pastor, I see the talker. I know they quit the praise pastor so. I feel you they go your church. I say after I don't know God, I go the serve for them. He gets a kind thing where you go your do, I go your overlook. But this woman go tell you the inner heart. You can never bribe her with money. If you come to the things of God, you understand? Now all those kind of pastor, now they like. All those kind of pastor, now they like. If they see things say not good, they go tell you say this thing where you they do say not good. They know they please person they displease themselves. They know they displease themselves, they please you. You understand? If they talk, they say we just the attack pastor, we just the attack pastor. Can you imagine your husband go stay for house only one go your lie down for bed? Cold day the man go day. Sunday the man go day. Only one. Or no that man the money we pay, something we pay women. Which kind of man we get? Which kind of man we get? Person we pay money put for that thing. For that your ample, that your only pot, another person go your the shop on. Another person entire, in fact, go your the shop on. All the names say na pastor. No nah. No. Tomorrow courage now. They'll say the men not good. Now I go see talk men not good. Men not good. This one way do so good. Now they carry Bible pass. Anybody wey they carry Bible, follow pastor, big. Fear them, especially if they be women. Fear them. Not say because say you be God, no you, especially woman of woman of mommy like pastor's wife. Not say because say you are now make her your sister's pastor wife. They not agree. Make single sister me go with their husband. They not agree. Because these pastors of a thing, they are not as in them not be God. When you thank them, they will fall. They are not God. They not say they are cassava. Say now so they different from another men. No, say because they be man of God. No, if you thank them, they go for put. Now make us so women know the grimace single sister near their husband, and I like her. I like her. I the day free, as you see me so. I the day free, to the if I want to talk to a woman of God, I the day free to expose myself. Before that was before, but now I believe say you pray inside your household, you pray for another place, so God go still answer you. Because the way the world stay they turn around, it get as it be. Pastor fit do this one, give another man wife. Wetin e go? Wait, in fact, before you fit do this one, almost all your member when be say they don't wear singlet, although they are nene cocoa mats. If you be like say you, they say if you lost over the same Bible talker say if you lost over another man wife, You don't see, even you just talk her for your mind outside this lady just fine. You don't see. Talk less or say you come follow and go do the normal do. What are we talking about? You do this one, the man can't even catch you with towel for say. He don't tell. He don't tell. The man will say too much. Woman when you marry for her. I know say na some women they lead though. Some men will still know God where they'll say, this na work of God. Make I let them be like that. They don't want to offend God. Not be say they don't want to offend pastor. Say they don't fit up. They don't want to offend God. If you don't come to the teeth of God, some men they like that they know God. Even though say they know they go church, they know God. Person like my husband. Now man will be say yes. If I dey pray for this my house sometimes, it could be like say every walk on down. If that kind of man not believe on God, he not go let me pray. You understand? So men they even though they know they go church, but their heart is still with God. You understand? Their heart is still with God. So not take her for granted. Say because that man not they talk, if you they feel they carry Bible, follow your pastor, you will take her for granted. E no good now. As put your shoe for that man's shoe, if he be the man of the house, your wife do you that kind of thing, you go happy. Pastor's wife, this word where we dey so, this pandemic where we just dey so, this period where we dey so, Mona not dey joke oh. Mona not dey joke say she's my god sister, she's my goddaughter, she can go with my husband. Don't try it oh. Always be attent, as in always watch over your husband. Don't say because say he's a pastor you can stand and declare a cause for him that is righteous. Don't ever do that. Always put your eyes on your man, because they are pastor, they are not God. If women seduce them, they will fall. Okay? If woman seduce them, they go fall because they not be God. Body, you know what they talk so. But see, wanna be careful, especially girls. When be say they go dey come church, they go wear all those short thing. They go come sit down for choir, call cross leg. Their leg go call open, their lap go call open. Be careful, women of pastor. That's all the GO mama. Mona be careful, because what happen so go fit still happen to you It go still fit happen to you. Not say because say na one na they follow pastor after my husband and the woman na be assistant to pastor. Be careful. Don't use your mouth to play. Say because he's the second Jesus Christ, you will let him be like that. There one lady when I dey single, I dey go the lady church. For Africa, when I did Nigeria, we dey go the lady church. Then you understand. So then one of my friend Bridget, now they call this my girlfriend. We go the girl go they complain to me. Go say, you know they see, because now mommy all of us they call the woman. You know they see the way mommy say they do. I go answer what they happen. He go say now boys see they carry they go house, go they do things for house. As in, you know they carry guests. Some people go, they'll gather guests, they'll say, come help me do something. Some women of God, some that is a pastor's wife, they think carry some choir, they'll say, go work for my house, go help me clean things. This pastor wife, no, they do like that too. He go call boys, all those boys where they play band, all those usher, go just say, oh yeah, follow me, oh yeah, follow me. We go there church, we go out they sweep the church. You go say, oh yeah, follow me. What all those boys will go do? They will go help her for us. Because all those single sisters, you don't know their mind. You understand? When the girl complain for me, say, now we supposed to go they help mommy, they do this thing. Now why I could be saying our boys they come and say, she have her whole reason. No go meet her, go tell her, say, mommy, why do you not call us? Why do you call the boys to go and help you? Now say, you find trouble like that. So leave her. as far as she not the verse for us, she still take us as your daughter. Leave her. Now I know the reason why. Now I just know the reason why I say yes. She know why. Because if that waiting you don't start, you know if you finish am. Tomorrow go reach now. Hey, daddy. Like that, daddy go down, they fall in love. Daddy go call they fall in love. Like that. Small time you cause say level don't change. Mona be careful, my people. This pandemic will dey, so mona be careful. Pastors not say I not honor, and you will be pastor where you know say you be pastor, you are the eyes of the people. You can't do this kind of thing. Your fire is large. I not judge you. I not judge you. They say don't judge so that you will not be judged. Yes, I'm not judging you, but this thing when you pay this man, so this thing when you do this man, so when the man call cash you, his wife call tie towel wey not even dey tie for us, he call tie am. Oh my God, it is well. So be careful. I don't want this video to be too long. Please guys, try to follow us on Facebook. We do reality show on Facebook. The name of the Facebook is Discovery. Why Instagram Discovery 33. Always follow us every Thursday by 4 o'clock Nigeria time. Always follow us. If you are interested for your acting, you want to build your career, you want to do anything that you know, yes, this is what you are capable to do, try to contact her. Try to follow her on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Instagram Discovery 33, Facebook Discovery. So please try to follow this lady. If you don't know how to follow her, try to follow me on Facebook, Katarina Roland. Drop a message, then I will try to contact her and tell her how it goes. So please keep following us, okay? Keep following us. There are a lot is coming. Last week we just bring that man. I just forgot. I forgot the man name. This Igbo man. I will remember the name. This Lollywood man is Igbo. We always they use one parable for Igbo tongue. He go say, "Mami water." Guy say they use the word say they make parable. The man they make parable, those strong parable where for Igbo. So we bring her come last week. So this week we are planning to bring Mama G. You know Mama G now. Mama G, una know Mama G now, una know her well now. Mama G, Susanna. Now a lot of people know her for Susanna well. So we they bring her the come. Mona try, Mona they follow us for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. YouTube, our name on YouTube is New Discovering TV in London. That is our name on YouTube. Always follow us. You will see things going on there. I love you guys. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, use this opportunity to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Stay tuned and remain blessed. To all my subscribers, God bless you. I love you guys. Bye for now till I come your way again. I remain the one and holy Katarina Golden Baby TV. Bye.